Hi, I am Jaren F. Bacani from Don Honor Ventura State University, and today we'll be dealing with two mini experiments, which are paper towel dry underwater and water bends straw science experiments.
There must be enough water in the container for you to completely submerge the glass. Next, tear off a section of paper towel and stuff it into the bottom of the glass. Carefully turn the glass upside down. Ensure that the glass doesn't tip to the side. Pull the glass straight out of the water. Ensure that the glass doesn't tip to the side. Once you remove the paper towel, you will find that it is still dry even though you just submerged it in the water. The reason we used paper towel is because it has absorbent quality. Even though the paper towel was underwater, it stayed by. This is because of the air that also in the glass. When the glass is lowered into the water, the air is trapped inside and has nowhere to go. Because of this, the air molecules pushes out the water. When the air pushes the water away, it keeps the water from touching the paper towel. The force of the air molecules that pushes the water out is called air pressure. That is why paper towel stays dry. Observe the straw and notice that it is perfectly straight. Next, place the straw in the empty glass and take note that the straw is still straight. Pour water into the glass until it is nearly full. You will notice that the near top of the water line of the straw appears to bend. When you added the water to the glass, the straw seems to bend. But once you remove the straw, you see it is not really bent at all. This is because the straw is not bending, but the light around is. This is because of refraction. According to history.amazingspace.com, refraction is the light as it passes from one substance to another. The light ray passes from air to glass and back to air. The bending is caused by the differences in density between the two substances.
We don't have to be a professional scientist in order for us to learn something new. Sometimes, you just have to look around and use your things around you to conduct mini experiments. I hope you have learned something new from me. Have a good day.